Hi guys, welcome to another RocketCake tutorial. From this one you will learn how to center items vertically on a web page using tables. Let's drop a container on our web page. I like to put everything into containers. First let me show you what I mean and why do we need to use these tables. Let's drop a container with columns. Okay, let it be 3 columns, and let's say the minimum height of this should be 50. The minimum height of this should also be 50. So let this be, let's say, blue. Let this one be red. And when I click on this blue one, the vertical alignment can be top or bottom. So let it be bottom. Similarly with the red one, it's top or bottom. No center. So that's why we will use tables. So let's drop a table here and let this one have 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, by default it's the size of it is 50%, so let it be 100%. Let the maximum width be 1200. Let's center it. Okay, this is how it looks now. Let's preview it. That's good for a beginning. Now we don't want to see this table on the website. We don't want to see that there is a table. So what we do is we make the border mode none. So that's how it looks in RocketCake, and it doesn't show on the web page, so that's good for us. Now let's give our table a background color. This light blue will be okay. And let's drop an image to this right top cell. Okay, she will be nice. Let's drop another one to this bottom left cell. Okay, let's make them 100% wide. Let's preview. Okay, so I don't want these paddings and I want them to touch here. So for that I click on the table. It's not so easy to click on the table. When you click, it wants to be on a table cell, but if we go to the edge of it and this cursor comes up, then if we click, then we have the table. So let the cell padding be 0 and let the cell spacing be also 0. Okay, now they go from border to border and they touch here. Good. Now here I write blue eyes. Okay, I can center it here. And this is the main thing for us. It says cell vertical alignment, top, center, and bottom. So I can put it into the center. Let's make this larger, bold, blue. Okay. Let's do the same here. Copy it, paste it. Okay, let's center this. Let's center it vertically also. Yes, that's what we want. Here is a preview. Good. This text is in the center. Now, this can be not just the text. We can put a whole paragraph in it. I show you how to do this with the header and the paragraph. Okay, so let's bring a container here. Let it have a header, let it say blue eyes. Okay. And so you can change the padding on the left and the right. You may want it to be bigger. Yeah. And it's in the middle. Actually, let's make the minimum height smaller. Okay. So, you understand. Let's check it again in the preview. This is good. Now, this is good for us when we watch the website on a wide screen. But on a cell phone, on a narrow screen, we want it to look different. So, for that, I bring a container here, maximum width 1200, center. I want to make the background of this blue like the background of the table. So I copy this, I paste it here. I bring in a header and I say blue eyes. I copy this picture and paste it here. I make the padding of this container 0 everywhere. I give this header a margin. Okay. Now let's copy the other two. Here I say nice ice. I copy this picture. And paste it here. That's good. So I want to see this on wide screens, and I want to see these on narrow screens. So we will use breakpoints. I click on the table, right click, edit breakpoints. I add a breakpoint when the view is smaller than 640 pixels. I want this to be invisible. Okay, let's see what happens. So I get closer to 640. So when we reach 640, then this top part should disappear. And it does. Beautiful. Now I want this bottom part to appear only when the view is less than 640 pixels. So I right click here, edit breakpoints. I add a breakpoint. When the view is smaller than 640 pixels, I say OK, then these things should be visible. That's OK. But when it's more than 640, then it should be invisible. So I add another breakpoint. I click on this plus sign. When the view is smaller than 8000, then I want this to be invisible. So I uncheck this checkbox. When I will click OK here, then this bottom part should disappear. And it does. Now let's check it. Let's get close to 640. And that's it. Wonderful. Let's preview it. That's nice. I save this file. Vertical tables. Save it. So this will be the vertical tables.rcd file, and you can download it from the RocketCake tutorials website, which is rocketcaketutorials.com. You can download the file by clicking on the link under the YouTube video, but you can download it from the website too. I copy this, save it here in the browser. Here are the RCD files, and from this area you will find this file and you can download it from here. Well, that's it for this tutorial today. I had fun making it. I hope you liked it too. If so, I'm happy. Have a blessed, beautiful day. God bless you. Bye-bye.